it's me, Josh. Ngayon, samahan niyo ako dito sa may Ongpin, Santa Cruz, Manila para tikman ang nagtitrending na Chinese restaurant. Walang iba kundi ang Chinatown Laylay Hotel. Tara!
I'm Kathy and I handle marketing for Laylay Restaurant here in Ongpin and Binondo. For Laylay, this has been actually around for quite a long time already, but the family handling the business right now took over around 8 years ago. This has such a rich history. It's one of the oldest restaurants here in Binondo. It's actually a secret restaurant because it's underground. So when you go inside Chinatown Laylay Hotel, you just have to go straight ahead. There will be a staircase that leads you to the most wonderful, most authentic, and affordable Chinese restaurant here in Binondo. We actually have a lot to offer. And some of the things that may seem underwhelming to you, when you try it, you would really love it. Which one? Tomato and egg. So if you think about it, tomato and egg is something that a lot of people can do at home, but their version is very different. Laging ubos when people eat here. They also have their own homemade kikiam, which is also really, really good and very distinct in flavor. They also have live seafood, so if you want shrimp, crab, or anything, you can literally have your pick and sigurado kayong sobrang fresh niya. And then, yung mga kakaibang dishes naman dito, what makes them stand out is their kambing hot pot. I'm sure you've never heard of that. So it's kambing hot pot. Masarap siya, hindi maanto, babalik-balikan. They also have the seafood lapu-lapu, sour lapu-lapu soup. It's super duper good. Kakaibang luto ng lapu-lapu. Normally, it's steamed, but this one, it's sour lapu-lapu soup. Very nice. It has a little bit of kick. So, pag hindi ka mahilig sa spicy, just let them know para they can tone it down. Pero best serve siya na may counting kick. Pero hindi naman siya OA sa anghang. Pero sure ako, magugustuhan nyo siya. Very fitting kahit mainit ang panahon ngayon. And dahil nabanggit na natin yung init ng panahon, they also have the Laylay coffee. I'm sure you've heard of the famous Halo Halo coffee. So after your meal here, just go upstairs, have coffee. It's always a perfect blend to try something very different here in Binondo.
So ito yung crab meat soup nila. Try natin. Sarap. Ang sarap. Hindi ako nagkakamali, meron siyang enoki.
Yes.
Na favorite ko talaga. So, para sa akin, 10 out of 10 to. So, next naman is itong Laylay's noodles. So, try natin. Ganun lang natin. Grabe naman to. Malaki pa sa mukha ko to. Try natin. Kita nyo ba yung seafood? Ang lalaki. Sarap nito. Tingnan nyo. Sarap. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang rich ng lasa niya. Lasa mo talaga yung seafood. Tsaka yung pancit, pero ito with the twist, sobrang sarap. Nanamis-namis, pero andun pa rin yung lasa ng pagka-pancit. Sarap. So ito yung kikiam nila dito. Ibang-iba sa mga kikiam na nakikita natin, di ba? Na usual sa kalsada or sa ibang restaurant. So, tara, try natin. Sobrang laki. Tignan niyo yung laman na ito, guys. Tsaka iba yung lasa niya. Fried siya na merong vegetable and pork sa loob. May meat siya. So, ang sarap.
Kale. Basta ba sila? Recall. Ano ulit mo?
Ang sarap niya, sobra. Sobrang sarap ng sauce niya. Hindi niyo basta-basta matitikman to sa ibang kainan. As in, sobrang rich nung lasa nung sauce na.
Oo, gawin na natin yung official.
Diba yung savory nung
Gusto ko yung pananamit.
isda dito? Yung pampana nila, sobrang sarap. As in, okay na okay.
Pinagito last name?
10 out of 10 din. Ito daw is kayang lutuin sa bahay. Pero tikman natin kung yung lasa niya is katulad ba namang niluluto natin sa bahay.
Kasi parang
Ang sarap. Para sa katulad ko na hindi mahilig sa gulay. Hindi mo malalasahan na meron siyang kasamang tomato. Sobrang sarap. As in. Okay, ngayon naman try natin itong yang chow rice nila. Kita nyo ba yan? May mga seafood siya. Vegetable. Merong shrimp, merong green peas, and carrots. So, tara, try natin. Lasang-lasa mo yung pagka-seafood niya. Ang sarap. Meron din pala siyang kasamang egg. Nagtitrending at pinagkakaguluhang laylays halo-halo with a twist. Kasi meron daw tong kasamang coffee. Yun nga, tingnan nga natin. Halo-halo na may coffee. Parang ngayon ko lang narinig yun ah. Try natin. In fairness, bumagay yung lasa ng halo-halo tsaka ng coffee. Tapos, yung pinaka-milk nila, kasama na siya dun sa yelo. Yun daw yung secret recipe ng halo-halo nila dito. So, try nyo na din!
So, we'd like to invite you to try out Chinatown Laylay Hotel featuring the Laylay Seafood Restaurant. Hindi kayo magsisisi, sobrang sarap and affordable. Make sure to bring your family and friends. Hindi butas ang bulsa ninyo, pero siguradong busog na busog ang tiyan ninyo. And afterwards, try the Laylay Coffee and the Halo Halo Coffee. Hindi kayo magsisisi.